Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up transferring credit card balances to SoFi, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your credit card balances to SoFi, start by visiting the SoFi website. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Verify your identity through the required steps as prompted. Once your account is set up, log in to your SoFi account dashboard. Navigate to the balance transfer section of the site. Review the terms and conditions associated with balance transfers. Choose the credit card accounts you wish to transfer balances from. Enter the balance amounts for each credit card. Select your preferred repayment term, if applicable. SoFi will show you the total sum being transferred and any associated fees. Review the information entered carefully for accuracy. Confirm the transfer details and authorize the transaction. Wait for a confirmation from SoFi regarding the status of your balance transfer. Check your email for updates about your transfer. Monitor your old credit card accounts to ensure the balances are zeroed out. Continue making payments on your SoFi account according to the terms agreed upon. Stay informed about your new payment schedule and rates with SoFi. Keep track of your spending to avoid carrying new credit card balances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.